Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mitu
Good
ma'am.
morning,
Good morning, Sarvjot
Good
sir.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah,
ma'am.
Good morning, Savita. Good morning.
good morning. So, Mitu ma'am, you can start today because 3D is there. So, Sarvjot sir will be taking this workshop.
Okay.
Okay. So, I think 40 participants are there till now. Do we have to wait for some more time?
We wait for some time. We have just got 40 participants. So we just wait for
Yeah.
another 2 or 5 minutes.
Okay.
Sure.
Sure.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Dear. So, we'll wait for 5 minutes.
Okay. Good morning, students. I think we'll start when let the others come in. We have Saravjot sir today. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Uh,
kids.
And last time we were into App Inventor, we had made an app and we had looked into how we can create different apps. Today we have a new concept of 3D object designing. It's a interesting topic and really something very new which you will all be interested in. We had even we teachers just had a simple concept of it and we liked it. So we thought it should go across to you so that you can learn something out of the blue. It is there in the world around you, but most of us are unaware of it. So we should be aware of all that is happening around us. So Saravjot sir will guide us how to go about this software, what is all this about, what can we design in this and how do we design it. So should we start?
Yeah, sure. We can start.
Over to you, sir.
Hello, kids. Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes and enjoying your vacations. So, as you have already done 2D things, like you have done, you have made an app on the MIT App Inventor, and you might have worked on like Scratch-based applications also. So, you have worked on 2D things right till now. So, you have experience of 2D things. So, first of all, I will be asking you a simple question. Uh, what do you meant by this 2D and 3D? Like, I hope.
Two dimensions, 3 dimensions,
What? Can you please repeat?
2 dimensions, 3 dimensions.
2 dimensions and 3 dimensions. Okay. And what are these 2 dimensions and 3 dimensions? Can you name these dimensions?
Height and width, and volume.
Height, width, and
height,
Volume.
volume. Volume is not a dimension. Volume is the
height, width,
quantity.
and length.
Length.
Yeah,
Yes. Very good.
length.
Yeah, length, width, and height. So how it is different from 2D? So can you differentiate between 2D and 3D, like in your real life surroundings? How can you distinguish between 2D and 3D things? Can you give me some examples of 3D shapes? Chalo.
Sphere.
Cube, cuboid, cylinder,
Cylinder.
sphere,
Okay.
trapezoid, tetrahedron.
Okay. Okay. Then what are the examples of some 2D shapes?
Squares, rectangles,
Square,
circle,
circle.
rectangle,
Circle.
Okay.
circles.
Okay. So like, can we print 2D things? Can you give me an example where we print the 2D things?
Normal printer.
Normal printer where we type the text in the computer and we can print the things. That is the example of 2D. Now, can we get the print of a 3D design or 3D object? Yes. So
Sir,
do,
3D
do,
printer with a
Yes,
3D
sir.
printer.
okay. So have you ever seen a 3D printer? Any one of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Not real, not in real ways. But
But
I saw in YouTube.
Sir, in
YouTube
real
videos.
life.
Okay. Okay. So if you have seen, so you might have seen some applications of 3D printing then? 3D.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me about some like applications of 3D design?
The one I've heard was of slicer, which is
A slicer is something like when we design something, na, then when we have to print it, so we have to slice the design, so that like what happens is when we print the thing, it print layer by layer. So that's why we have to slice it. That is done by a software. That is another software. So
Okay.
slicer is like, it is not the application of 3D design. It is the process of 3D printing. Before printing the design, we have to slice it.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is it polyjet?
Huh?
Polyjet.
Polyjet?
Yes, sir.
Are you naming the name of a printer?
Yes, sir.
No, I am not asking the name of the printers. We have a number of printers available. I am asking ki, application of 3D printing in real life.
Paint 3D. It's there in laptop.
Yes, sir. Paint 3D.
Okay, Paint 3D. Okay, wait. Like in real life applications, if I am starting counting the applications, so your dentist use this 3D technique. They print the new teeth with this 3D technique. Like whenever some of our teeth get damaged or we get the new teeth, so this 3D technology is used to print the new teeth. I will share one story with you. It's not a story; it's a real life incident. There was one patient. He was having a tumor in his heart. Okay, and the tumor was very big in size. So if the doctors go through a normal procedure of surgery, it would have taken them about 7 to 8 hours to complete that surgery to remove that tumor from the heart. But what doctors do is like, this was done in my college only, that print of that tumor. So that doctors consult our teachers, so they print the replica of that tumor. Now how they print it, like they get the x-ray, they get the actual image of the tumor, and they get print the actual replica of that tumor. So now doctors were aware of the actual position and exact size, what are the different sides of the tumor. So it took them around 1 to 2 hours to complete that surgery. So our medical line is using this 3D technique in like very fast. Also, have you heard? Okay, first tell me, what is a prototype? What do you mean by prototype?
A test subject before the actual product is manufactured.
Great. So like whenever we design a car, whenever the automobile industry, they design a new car, they don't just start designing the new exact car. They first of all, they design a prototype. And how they design their prototype, nowadays they are using these 3D techniques to build a prototype. Okay, so that they can change the things which they
They will
want.
make a miniature prototype.
Yeah, miniature prototype. Okay, so that they can get the actual idea how their design will look when they will be like getting it manufactured, so that they have a real idea what are the changes they want to make in it. Okay, even you can search on YouTube. In China, I guess there was a 3D printed house also. So like 3D technique is getting popular very fast nowadays. So they are like and but yeah, it is a little bit expensive as of now, 3D printers, but it will soon be like very, you can say, available easily. So that is not an issue. Okay, it is an expensive, but it is a very like the future is like 3D things right now. It gonna be used in all the industries. So we will be learning this 3D printing and 3D designing using a very simple software, Tinkercad. This is an online software. I am sharing the link in the chat box. You can click on that link or copy that link and open in your browser, and you can use your school IDs to sign in into the Tinkercad.
You can sign in through Gmail also, no?
Yeah, you can sign in through Gmail also. That is up to you guys. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, I hope my screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Or we have to click on create new design.
Yeah, no, wait. We will click on create new design, but we will design it in a different way. So I'll just wait for a few seconds. I will explain. First, let all others open the software. So just give me a thumbs
You
up.
have
if
to sign
opened.
up.
Yeah, you have to sign in into the Tinkercad.
What, but we can't create a new design until we get our account approved.
Yeah, so you use your email IDs or school IDs, no? So you can approve through your Gmail ID. They have sent you an email in your account. You can approve it from there.
So, should we go for students login?
No, not students login. There will be an option of sign through Google, sign through email here. So
Yes,
use
sir, it
from
was.
there. Just give me a thumbs up if you have opened the software, the Tinkercad. Yes, Amishi, is it done? Or do you know? Do you want to ask something?
It's done.
Okay. Okay, so I hope everyone have like logged in into the Tinkercad, so we can move
Excuse
forward.
me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it's showing your connection is not private.
What?
Your connection is not private.
My connection?
No, sir, for my computer.
Okay, so it is not opening Tinkercad.
No, sir.
I don't think this will be an issue. Wait, can you just share your screen? Let me check.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's disabled.
Oh, wait. Yeah, you can share your screen now. Okay, you can like work on Tinkercad now.
But in mine, it's coming, it's secure.
Yeah, it is secure. It is
Yes,
not
sir.
like this. It is not secure.
So for me,
There
it is also secure.
Yeah, it is a secure. Like it is. Tinkercad is.
Maybe some safety measures have been put up in
Yes.
the computer.
Yes.
And my antivirus is also saying it's fine.
Okay. So like all of you have opened the Tinkercad. So let me just give you a brief tour to this software. what we can do in this software. So basically we have three parts in this software. The first one is 3D design. Like as you can see on my dashboard, you can create like very simple designs, like there is a spanner, a clock, key ring, and then there is this gear system, tanks, okay, nut, bolt, hammer. Like this, you can create anything you want. Like if you have this mouse in your hand, you can create a design of this mouse also, okay, using the you just have to drag the shapes and change their dimensions, change their radius, and all those things you have to change, and you can create their own designs. Second thing is circuits. Like if you want to learn about the circuits, if you want to make a projects on Arduino and all the things, before going on to the actual Arduino, you can create a prototype of your circuit over here, and you can even simulate the circuit over here also, okay. And then we have the code block section. In the code blocks, again we will be creating the 3D designs only, but here we will be designing the these 3D designs using codes. Like we use the codes in Scratch and or in PictoBlocks, then in your MIT App Inventor. Similarly, we will be using those blocks to create the 3D designs, okay. What we will be doing is we will be creating a 3D design, a jet, using the code blocks, okay. So first I will show you how to design 3D designs using the shapes also, okay. I will just show you
I have a doubt.
Yes, you can ask what's your doubt.
We will make app or we will design?
We will design. We are not making an app. I was just giving you the example, like in the way we drag the blocks in the MIT or in your PictoBlocks. Similarly, we will be dragging the blocks and changing the dimensions, rotating them over here to create a jet. Okay. Like if we will design in 3D designs, like if I will click over here and create new design, you don't have to click over here. I am just showing you for a while. Okay. I will tell you when you have to open it. So you will be getting something like this. And here is the shape corner where you have different shapes available. Basic shapes are there. Then there are text and numbers, characters, connectors. Number of things are over here. You can create anything you want. You just have to simply drag the box, change their dimensions, okay, and design your like
So
whatever it's.
I have already created some before in the fifth class.
Okay, great. Then it's very good. Okay, so like this, you can create your designs using these shapes. Now, what we will be doing is we will be using the code blocks to design the jet. So what I want you guys is to click on this code blocks over here. Click on the code blocks and click on create new code block. You can see your screen is now split into two halves. In one half, you can see the three like a work plane, okay, and in the other half, you will be able to see your this coding area, or you can say a scripting area, okay. So like you can zoom your work plane using the wheel of your mouse, or you can click on this plus and minus sign to zoom it. Yes.
Sir, actually, I cannot see your screen.
My screen is not shared. Wait.
No, sir, it is shared. We can see.
It is visible.
Sir, it is shared.
Okay. Raghav, maybe it might be some connectivity issue at your end. You are not able to see my screen.
Sir, may I disconnect and?
Yeah, you can. Okay. So like you can zoom it in your work plane like this using this wheel of your mouse, or you can use this plus and minus sign. And if you want to look at your object from all the dimensions, simply right click on your mouse and drag your work plane, and you can rotate it in any direction. Or even we have a box over here which can give you the different views. Like here it will give you the front view, then you can move it, then it will give you top view, like right view, left view. So any view you can go through using this box. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt till this point?
No, sir.
Sir, could you just explain the rotation one again, sir? I got disconnected, sir.
Yeah,
So
I am
it is
telling. Okay, no issues. So just right click on your mouse and then rotate your work plane like this. Or you can use this box to change the view of your work plane. Here, from here you can also rotate your work plane. Okay. Yeah, so we will be starting with the design of a jet. Okay, so first of all, we will design the body of the jet. So can you tell me how can we design the jet? Which shape we can use to design the body of a jet?
Sir, we can use a
Cylinder.
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 Pyramid. Cone.
So cylinder.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
A
Yes.
pyramid and a cylinder.
Sir, I have signed in, but I cannot see the options as code box.
So what are the options visible to you?
Sir, it is just saying that congratulations, you did like one sort of a thing that I made right now.
Wait, can you just share your screen? Let me check.
Oh, yes, sir.
Or what we are making?
We are making a jet.
When I'm clicking on code blocks, it's saying designs and.
Yeah, you can close that window.
So can we add our own shapes?
No, you
Sir,
can't.
it is showing this.
Okay, wait. Click on this Tinkercad option over here. You have opened the like a tutorial over here. Click. It is written a Tinkercad over here. Click on it. I can't control your screen. I guess you are on iPad, na?
Yes, sir.
That's why. See, now there is option of code blocks.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Anytime. Okay. So first of all, we will be taking a cylinder. So drag a cylinder from the shapes. Drag the cylinder from the shapes. And there is an arrow over here. Click on this arrow. And from here, we can change the dimensions. So we will keep the radius of our cylinder as 5 and increase the height to 60.
Sir, can you repeat?
Yeah, add the cylinder and change its radius to 5 and height to 60.
The edge steps and sides.
No, nothing to change over there. Sides over here will change the the circumference of it, like how curvy it will. So we will not change anything on that. We just have to change the radius and height of the cylinder. Okay. Now click on this play button over here to check if it is coming fine. There is this play button. When you will click on it, you can see your cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but right now it is like standing vertically. I want it to be like in a horizontal position. Then how we can do this thing? Yes, anyone? I want it to be in a horizontal position.
We can change the view, but I don't think that.
So we can
control and reduce the sides.
By reducing the size, we can't change its position. We can't change it from vertical to horizontal.
Blue, red, and yellow.
So by going to control.
Okay, in control, yes. See, I have to change its position. I have to change its vertical position to horizontal. Yeah, we have to go to modify and drag out this rotate block from this.
Which block?
Rotate.
Okay.
We will rotate it along the x-axis. And after dragging that, you can click on the play button again and to check if it has been rotated or not. Okay, now see, you can change the color of your body also. Like where you have added the cylinder, add cylinder. There are two options over here. From there, you can click and change the cylinder's color. You can change. You can choose any color from here. Okay. You can even make your custom colors when you will click on custom. So you can change the color values from here and you can change. Now, After this, yeah. Okay, now see, just rotate your work plane a bit. So you will see that your cylinder is half below the plane and half is above the plane. So whenever you will add any shape in the code block section, half of it will be coming below the work plane and half of it will be coming above the work plane. So what we have to do, we have to move it every time we are adding a new object. Okay. So what we will do in the modify section only, there is this move block. So we will use this move block and I will move by z-axis through z-axis. This is our z-axis and by 5. And now click on this green flag. Is it done?
Yes, it is above.
Sir, with green flag.
Yes, sir.
Not a green flag. You have to click on this play button over here.
Yes, it's done.
Yeah. Now,
So now it's above the surface.
Okay. Now
Yes,
I
sir.
want it to move little bit backwards also. So that
Sir, we can use the move block only.
Move block
so
only.
in which direction I will change then? X, Y, X or Y?
Y. X.
So
Y.
X.
X.
Select.
Okay, wait. Let me just put the X's first. Let me use the annotator. This is our X-axis. This is our Y-axis, and this vertical one is Z-axis. Okay. So we will change it in the Y-axis. So in this block only, you can type Y to 30. So we will move our cylinder little bit backward. Okay.
Sir, Y
Sir,
to
if he said y to minus 30, so sir, it will move a little forward.
Yeah.
Towards-
When we yes.
Yes, sir, it has moved back.
Yeah.
It's moved back
Okay.
to the part.
See, like if you will see it like this now, so this is a y-axis on the top is plus, in the bottom side there will be minus y-axis, on the right hand side there is positive x-axis, and in the left hand side there will be minus x-axis. Similar with the z, in the upside it will be plus z-axis, and in the bottom part it will be minus z-axis. If we have to move our object toward downwards. Okay. Now we will be making our front nose of the jet. So which shape can we use?
So we should use a cone.
Cone.
Cone or pyramid, sir.
Cone.
Sir, cone.
Okay, wait,
Cone is better
wait,
than
Sir,
pyramid for
cone, sir,
this.
cone.
wait.
The cone is better.
Okay. But cone will be like little bit like more pointed. We can't make it that much pointed. If you have seen like your aircraft, they are not that much pointed. Okay, the fighter jets are pointed, but like not our normal aircraft, the passenger
we
planes
can
or
use
the
Yes,
cargo.
sir, they are a little curved at the point. So, paraboloid.
Can use
Paraboloid.
half sphere. Paraboloid or half sphere.
Okay. So
Paraboloid
one of you have told one of you was saying half sphere. Yeah. So we will be so we will be using this half sphere. And check it if it is coming right or not.
Wrong.
Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to rotate it. Okay,
Yes,
now
sure.
right now it is
Sir,
like
can we
this.
use paraboloid?
You can use any shape, like you can use paraboloid also. You can shape it with paraboloid also. Okay.
Sir, it is curved.
It is curved. We can change the dimensions of this half sphere to get that position of the front nose of the jet. So now we have to rotate it. We will again rotate it using the rotate block along the x-axis only. Rotate it around x-axis by 90 degrees. Now it has come, like it has attached to your cylinder, the main body of the jet, but it is still bigger than the cylinder. Like if you can
Yes,
see,
sir.
look at this half sphere from the right plane or the left plane. So it is not like fitting perfectly fine yet. So what we will do, there is one more tool over here, that is scale tool or the scale block. We can scale it or we can minimize it, we can maximize it using this scale tool. Okay, so what we will do, I will scale it to x will be 0.5 and y will be 2.5 and then z will be 0.5. Okay, like
Sir, I missed the sir. Sir, can you tell me what is the Z for?
Z?
Yes, sir.
Z
X
is,
and Y axis I'm familiar with, but sir, not with Z.
Z is 0.5.
No, sir. Sir, the meaning, sir. For example, X. Sir, for example, when we change the Y
Okay.
axis, it went back.
Okay,
that
okay,
way.
okay. Z will lift your object
Up or down?
above the work plane or below the work plane.
Okay, sir.
So we are scaling it from all the 3 dimensions, like if so that it looks perfect in size. We can't, if we are working in 3D, so we have to scale it also from all the 3 dimensions.
Sir, what is Y?
Y is 2.5.
Okay.
Okay, see, right now I am giving you the exact values of 0.5, 2.5, 0.5. So when you will be designing your design, your shape, any design you will be designing, you have to like change the values. You have to do a trial and error method over here to get through the exact values. Okay.
It's coming different.
Sir, after that we have to move it also.
Yes, we have to move it also.
Sir, I've done that step.
Yes, sir, I have done that.
Okay, okay.
Sir, I have also done.
Okay, so
please repeat the scale one?
Scale, for scale we are scaling it to change the shape of our half sphere. So we will be scaling it x 0.5, wait a second, x 0.5, y 2.5 and z will be 0.5.
Since
Yeah.
it's coming
Yes.
differently for me.
Huh?
It's coming differently for me.
Differently, it will not be coming like it will be coming below the your cylinder right now.
Sir, but it's longer.
Yes, sir, it'll look more like a crayon, both of them, when joined together.
Yes, it will be look like something like that only. So wait, just let the steps complete, then you will see the final design. Okay, now we have to move it. So okay, let's try, you guys try how much we have to move it.
So,
Sir, that should be
shall
5.
I? So I did Y minus 12 and Z 5.
Okay, very good. Who has tell me these values? Arav, I guess.
So Arav.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, very good. Okay,
I
guys.
simply just did Z to 5, Z axis to 5.
Okay, okay. So y will be, I guess, minus 12.5, not 12. It will be minus 12.5.
Okay.
X will
Yes,
be
sir.
0.
Yes, sir. I've already tried it right now.
Okay, very good, guys. So
X
x will
would
be
be?
x will be 0 only. We don't have to move it through x direction. Like we don't have to move it on left side or right hand side.
Yes,
We just
sir.
have to move it little bit above the plane, and then we have to bring it little bit towards ourselves in the front
It
of
is
the work.
looking like a color.
Yeah, it's like looking like a crayon color.
So from this we can also make a crayon.
Yeah, you can. Okay. So
Now we have to change the color to the color of the jet.
yeah, you can change the color. You can change your colors, like any color you can take. Now we will be designing the cockpit. Okay, we will be designing a cockpit.
Yes.
So take one more half sphere. Take one more half sphere.
Sir, can we use white as the?
Yes, yes. See, color is up to you guys. Whatever color you want to put, you can use that color. Okay. There is no compulsion. You have to use these colors only.
Sir,
Okay.
is it important to code only, or we can just design with by adding shapes in flow method?
You can wait. Let me just answer the one query. So we can design with the shapes, but for that you have to click on the another option. You can't use the shapes to design in code block section. In this section, you will be able to design using the code blocks only.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Someone else was asking the question.
Yes, sir. So sir, the front of the jet, it's not coming up, sir. Just half sphere.
Okay. Have you moved the Z axis? Have you moved it along the Z axis?
Yes, sir.
How much you have moved?
Sir, I've moved 5.
Sir,
Okay.
So he's saying it's still a half sphere. So he has to scale
Maybe
it.
maybe you have not scaled it, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, scale it also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, now add one more half sphere, then we will again scale it.
Sir, is it to make the thrusters or something?
No, we are making the cockpit of our this jet. So take
Okay,
a
sir.
half sphere and we will be scaling it. X we will scale it to 0.4. Y will be 1 only, and Z we will scale it to 0.8. You will get a shape something like this.
Sir, can you please tell the parameters for the cockpit section?
Yes.
Parameters.
Yes. I am repeating. Scaling would be X 0.4, Y would be 1, and Z will be 0.8. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now what
That
will
is
be the
0.8.
yeah 0.8. See, your cockpit is like below the jet. What we have to do now?
Sir, we have to move.
Yes, sir.
So we have to move it backwards.
Okay, try to move it. Try to move it on your own. Let's see who will get the exact values. Is it done?
Sir, I tried 0.5, but it did not work.
Sir, I tried y as -15 and z as 5.
Z is 5.
Z should be 15.
Z should be 15. See, like it, your cockpit, you have to locate your cockpit, so it is up to you okay, how much you want to put it. But Z 15 would be like little bit in the air if you will keep Z as 15.
Sir, it is in the
It's
air.
above.
So we can't keep our cockpit in the air.
14.5.
14.5, yeah, you can put. No, 14.5 will be also like it's in the air only.
So it's
Check it.
above the plane there.
But you should check it from all the sides. When you are moving it, you can move your work plane to check it from all the sides.
Sir, I got it.
Yeah, we can do from
Sir, I got
12.5.
the parameters for the
Sir, we can use 13.
12.
Sir, Z would be 13.
One by one, guys. One by one.
Sir,
Ah.
12.5.
12.5. So Z13 is above.
Okay. Let me tell you. Yes, sir.
Jet.
Huh?
Sir, Z I put as 13, Y as 1 and Z as 13, so it has come correctly.
Okay. Let me tell you the right values then. So X we will not be changing. X will be 0 only. For Y, change it to 15. And
So I changed to 15 only.
yeah, then Z will be 10.
So, but mine is coming above the plane.
What?
So
You
mine
have-
is coming above the plane.
So your this cockpit has to be above the plane only. It has to be like this in shape. Your jet. It should be like this.
Yes, sir. It is coming like this one.
Yeah. So
Inside the
little bit will be in the
this
inside.
much big.
Huh?
Sir, but this is like a UFO missile, but the cockpit should be, sir, in the half sphere.
No. See, when you it like the design we are making, I am making a mixture of your the normal aircrafts and the jets. So when you see a fighter jet ना, उनका जो cockpit रहता है वो इसी shape में रहता है.
Yes, sir. Fighter jet has this cockpit.
Yeah, so like I am designing a mixture of both the aircrafts. Like I am using some designs from that aircraft, and that is the like fun of this 3D designing. You can design anything, like whatever you want. You can mix the designs and create a new design out of it. Okay. So, is it done? Cockpit is done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will be designing the exhaust of our aircraft. So take out a cone. We will be designing it out from a cone. So take a cone.
Sir, I think there should be 2 missiles like this.
2 missiles? wait. It is not like a missile kind of thing. We are making a, like I have shown you the jet now on the my dashboard. So we are designing something like that. Rest you can add 2 missiles, 3 missiles, anything you can add in this design only. You can modify this design also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now adding a cone, click on that arrow and we will be changing the dimensions. Change the top radius to 3 and bottom radius to 5. No need to change the height. Okay, height we will.
Woman, आपकी क्लास चल रही है, जल्दी आ जाओ.
Change the height to, sorry, top radius to 3. Bottom radius to 5.
जल्दी आओ.
Height to 10 and sides to 64.
So can you please repeat?
Yeah, I am repeating myself.
Sir, you have tried this many times. That's why you know the dimension.
Yes. I have tried it many times.
So
That's why I
that,
know
sir,
it.
it might take many experimenting.
Yeah, this takes like trial and error method. You have to like try with different values to get the exact shape. Okay, you can use the.
Sir, it is coming very down.
Yeah, we will be
Yes,
moving
sir.
it. We will be moving it. We have to place it on the back of your aircraft. We have to rotate it also. So the dimensions are: top radius will be 3, bottom radius will be 5, height will be 10, and sides will be 64.
Yes, sir.
Do we need to change the color as how we have put up for the jet? I have put vermilion color for the body of the jet. So can I change the exhaust to the same color?
Yes, you can keep the same color for the exhaust.
Okay, sir.
Now rotate it. Now we will be rotating it around x-axis by 90 degrees. Okay, now the next step you guys will tell me after rotation or after rotating the exhaust what we have to do.
We have to move it.
Okay,
Excuse
good.
me, sir.
Yes.
We have to move it.
Sir, sir, if we
So a little backwards, you have to move it.
Okay. Yeah, try to move it back. Yeah, try to
Sir,
move
now
it.
it is like standing, like a CD disc.
Yeah, try to move it back. Let's see. We will get the
Excuse me,
exact
sir?
way. Yes.
Sir, how do we delete any step if we put it mistakenly?
Any shape you want to delete?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so drag that block and
You just need
over here.
to right click.
There is-
Okay,
yeah,
sir,
or you
thanks,
can just
sir.
simply right click on it and delete it, or there is this dustbin available on the bottom part. You can put that block inside the dustbin.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
It's okay. Is it done? Have you moved your exhaust?
So I'm trying.
Okay, Z
So I
will be
think
easy
so.
to move.
So I think so. Y should be 5.
Y should be 5. Only 5.
Sir,
See, we have
5.5.
At least
Wait.
15.
See, right now our exhaust is over here. We have
Yes,
to
sir.
move it at the back end of our exhaust. So how by changing it to just 5 it will be like moving back over here?
Sir, it should be 50.
50. Okay, you are near. Check
Sir,
it.
more than 30.
64.
64. Okay, very good. It's exactly. If I give the exact value, it will be 65. Okay, then what would be the value of Z? Z will be very easy to find, I guess. Z is very easy to find, I guess.
So what
So
is
Five.
that?
5.
So 5.
Yes, 5. Very
So
good.
I also look for-
65 and then Z will be 5. Okay, now you see, just move your work plane on the back side or the back view. You will see your exhaust is a solid.
Sir, y will remain 0.
Yes, sir.
X will
Yes,
remain
sir.
0. X will remain 0, not y. Then
Oh,
how
yes, sir.
the gases will come out from this jet if your exhaust is solid?
Sir.
But we have to make it 3D.
So mine only outline is coming.
Outline? How?
So I don't know.
Okay, I will check it. I will check. See, what we will do, we will take one more cone shape, okay, and we will design it like this inside this cone shape, but we will make a hole out
Sir,
of it.
it's not looking like a fighter. It's looking like a missile.
Yeah, we will be creating the like wings of this aircraft also. I told you, like, I have
No,
created
sir. Sir, the line is coming so big that it looks like a big pencil only.
Yeah, sir.
And sir, the thruster looks like a in a rocket engine.
Yes,
Yes,
see,
sir.
this this design is a mixture of all the like you can say missiles, your
So jets
fighter
and
jets,
aircrafts.
okay, because we are not gonna use these somewhere in the industry, so like it's just for you guys to understand the how to make the designs, to understand the concept of code blocks. Okay, so
Yes.
next thing is we will be adding one more cone. We'll be adding one more cone and change the radius to
So now mine is solid.
yeah, okay, I will tell you one more thing over here. See, there is, from where you are changing the color na, along with it there is one more option of hole. So when you will add this cone, click on that option and we will change the radius. We will be keeping it less than the earlier cone. Okay, so it will be like 2 and the bottom radius will be 4. Height will be same 10 like the earlier one. Height will be same and sides will be 64. Repeat the same steps. Rotate it around x-axis by 90 degree and then move it also.
Yes, sir.
X will be 66 and Z will be 5. And then click on this play button to check.
So now there's a hole.
Yeah.
So, but
Okay.
it is looking like there are 2 cones inside.
2 cones.
There's
Okay.
another cone inside.
So to make it proper hole inside it, in the modify section there is one more block, create group. Drag that
Yes, sir.
block and place it below the move. Now click on the play button.
So now it's looking like one.
Now you can see a hole in your exhaust also. Done?
Yes, sir. Now there's like a hole.
Okay. All of you, is it done? Any doubt till this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now we will be moving on to the wings part of our jet. So,
Sir, where can we find the combined block?
Can you again show the whole code for 1 minute?
okay, it's on the screen only. Like you have to add one more cone, change it to hole, change the radius, top radius to 2, bottom radius to 4, height will be 10, sides will be 64, and then rotate around x-axis and move x0, y66, then z5, and from the modify section only there is one block, create group. Use that block to create a hole inside it. Is it clear? And have all of you is
Yes, sir.
okay?
So
Okay.
wait a minute, sir. I'm
Yeah.
just making
Okay.
the code.
Okay. I'm waiting.
And now there's a hole which has another hole.
See, if you are using different colors na, so when you are using create group, you have to click on this multicolor option over here, so that after grouping your jet doesn't come out of single color. So if I will click on if I will unselect this, so my whole jet will be of one color only. But if I am using this multicolor,
And I'm making a jet of whole color, white only.
So we have done.
Sir, is there any way to stop the animation which comes like when we click the play button?
Has gotten disconnected.
So then it shows from the color, then the color goes off, then everything shows transparent in my jet at the last.
You can change the color again, then it will be solid.
okay. Sorry guys, I just got disconnected. Yeah. So if my screen is visible,
Yes, sir, visible.
okay.
Sir, can we take for the second cone y to
Excuse me,
60?
sir. Can you just scroll up?
Because when I'm taking 66,
I wanted to see
ma'am,
the
it is,
code.
sir, it is coming
Actually, I
like
did
two cones are
something
there.
wrong.
I'm after using create group also.
After creating the group, also it is coming like two cons.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, I have taken 64.
Okay. Yeah. So you can choose 64 also, but it is up to you. Like you can change the dimensions, but 66 will look fine. See, like on my screen, it is like only one cone only. We have created the hole inside it. Just check the dimensions of the previous one also, or you can change that dimension accordingly. If it is working fine with 64, so you can go for 64 also. Okay.
Yes.
Mine is now showing.
Sir, mine is coming fine.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, is there any way to stop the animation which comes while we play the play
नहीं,
button?
once you click on the play button, it will stop after the code is completed. Or you can click on the stop button, it will stop over here. यहाँ पे stop आ जाता है. See, okay.
Sir, can you just check my hand and then correct me? So because it looks like a jet plane, but then it doesn't look when the cone comes.
Yes, sir. I'm also having the same problem.
Okay. Wait. Show me. Share your screen. Share your screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, the code is right, but the input, the output is not right, sir.
You have not rotated it after the second cone. You have not rotated it after the second cone.
And
You
sir,
have to
it should
rotate
be
it
10.
also.
He has written 20.
Yeah, sides has to be 20. You are using 10. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it has to be 10, not 20. It has to be 10. Rotate it. No. First rotate it, then move it. Yeah.
And the line is very big, said this.
Wait. Okay, choose the whole option over here. You are not choosing the whole option in the second cone. Select this whole option. Over here, see, I have marked it.
Yes,
now
sir.
click on the play button. Now click on the play button. Now create a group.
Sir,
Wait, why it is coming? Create a group first. In the modify section, it is.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Can I share my screen?
The last one.
Wait.
It's the last
Right,
block.
showing some. Sir, it's not showing the way.
No, it's multicolor. It was multicolor only. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So now it is coming. Okay. Maybe.
Okay. Wait. No. There is some issue with your.
Sir, you can reload.
Sir, can you see
Wait.
mine
Remove this.
also is
Like.
also showing wrong?
Yeah.
Sir, you
Wait.
selected that whole option in all of them, or what?
No. Not in all of them. He has not selected it in all of them.
So that's
Sir, instead of multicolor, he has selected the whole option.
Okay. See, here you have to select the multicolor only in create group. Why you are using the whole option in create group? यहाँ पे तो multicolor रहेगा. देखो आप group के time पे if you will select whole तो आपका whole जो पूरा design है वो whole हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे you have to select multicolor.
Sir, you see in the first cone also he has used whole.
In the first cone.
Sir, in first cone it should be the color, and the create group it should be color.
Yes. Make it right. Finish it. Akul.
Yes, sir.
Here change it to multicolor, and here also select the color, not the whole option.
Okay.
He has selected the whole option in the first cone.
You have
Select
to
the
select on color.
Color select. Akul select the color, not the whole option. In the first cone. In the first cone also. Yeah. Okay, now you can click on the green flag and set.
Yes, sir, it is now.
Sir, I think
It's now also a long line.
Sir, you can reload also.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Sir,
wait.
now I'll
Have you
reload
clicked
and
on the
then.
simulation?
Sir, it comes after create group, I think.
Yeah, you just reload your Tinkercad once.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'll just reload it.
Yeah, reload it.
So can we make the cockpit, sir, of another color, so wholesome, so it looks like there is a
Yes.
glass there.
Yes, you can make it like that also. Okay, now let's move on to the wings part. Take out a roof shape. Take a roof shape
Yes, sir.
and keep its length as 20 only. By default, it will be 20. So change it to 20. Sorry, keep it as 20
Sir,
only.
actually the exhaust is not coming out.
Exhaust is not coming.
Yes, sir. Please try playing in yours.
Okay, wait, I will check it. Let me just first complete this part, then we will check it. Okay. Add a roof.
I think it's talking about the effects, like when you turn on the engine, there's exhaust coming out.
Okay, that will not be it. No, that will not be visible over here. It is just
So
a
this is just the prototype of what we are designing.
prototype. Yeah, we are not making a like a exact prototype. Aircraft will be flying and giving out the exhaust gases
is
outside.
designed from two devices.
So yes, yes.
Yep. Okay. Chalo, add the roof.
Sir, in mine also it's showing wrong. Can you check mine also?
What is wrong in your one?
Sir, it is not coming the jet shape. It is coming like a missile one. Everything is overlapped.
Overlap. Maybe you have not done the code right, I guess. Okay, I will check it. Wait, let me just complete it, then I will check it. Okay. Okay, take this roof shape, add a roof, then rotate it around x-axis. Add a roof and rotate it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can
Sir,
you
what
show
is
the
this?
sample code? I think I have done.
What?
Why have you added this roof?
This is roof shape from the shapes corner only. There is this
No,
roof shape
no, sir, I
available.
know, but why have you added
Crawler.
this? What?
Which
Design
part
the
of the jet?
wings,
can you
wings.
scroll up?
Guys,
Okay,
guys,
sir.
please speak one by one. Please speak one by one. Yeah. Okay. Now rotate it up. After rotating it, we have to scale it. Scale it. Now we have to scale it to change, make the size of the wing like a bit bigger. So I will scale it x to be 5, y will be 3, and z I will keep it as 0.05. 0.05. x 5, y
So now
3.
it's looking like a wing. So,
Yeah, now
but we have to move it a little up.
Move it up. Yes, we have to move it also. So move it to x will be your 0, y will be 16, and z will be 5.
So I did y16 and z4.
So sir, it is looking like a wing, but it is below the plane.
Karthike, we have to move it.
You have to move it also.
Okay.
I have used this move block also. Okay. Now
Now it's
we will
looking like
take
a jet.
jet. Okay, we will be making some more wings on the back end also. So take one more roof. Take one more roof.
So then we have to do the same dimensions.
Length will be 20 only, but scaling and moving will be different.
Okay, sir.
Scale it to x will be 2, y will be 1, and z will be again 0.05.
Sir, it's looking very
So what
weird.
is y?
In the second roof,
Yes, sir.
or you are asking for the first one. In the second x is 2, y 1,
Excuse me, sir,
and
can
z
I
will
share
be.
my screen? Ma'am,
Okay,
sir,
sir.
it's showing.
But in the
Don't
second
we need
row,
to rotate? It's not working the
sir,
way I
what
want.
is the length of, sir, what is the length of roof?
Roof length will be 20. Oh yeah, and also rotate it first, then scale it. You have to rotate it also. I just missed one step. Rotate it also.
Sir, I had already added it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So then we have to move it.
Yes, then we have to move it. Now moving will be, yes.
Sir, can I share my screen? It's not
Uh,
working the way I wanted.
Okay, just wait for a few seconds. The design is about to complete. Then I will let you share your screen. Okay. Then I will see your queries. Now y will be 55 and z will be 9. In move, we will be moving it to x0. Y will be 55 and z will be 9.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you please tell the parameters for moving?
X is 0, y z. Oh, sorry, y 55 and z will be 9.
I had taken y as 54.5 as it was looking like it is inside the exhaust.
Yeah, it will not inside the exhaust. It will be inside the body of the jet. See, from the top of the top view, it will be something like this. Over here, we will be adding the tail also. We'll be adding a
Yes,
small tail of the jet. So to make the tail, we will be taking a wedge shape. Take out a wedge shape.
Yes, sir.
And now we have to rotate it. But this time we will not rotate it around x-axis. We will rotate it around z-axis.
Yes, sir, because we have to move, make it straight.
Yes. And also by 180
Then which
degrees.
shape you took this time?
Wedge shape. rotate
No,
it
sir,
around
you
Z
were done.
axis by
That's like there was a clock.
okay. After
Then
rotating,
what
scale
object
it.
will be the wedge in the
It will be like the tail of the jet. Tail.
Okay, sir. So we should make it the same color we have made the head.
So mine, for me, sir, it is coming 2 wedges.
Maybe you have chosen 2 blocks. You have to delete one. You have selected 2 blocks, I guess. So delete one of them.
So
Now
for me, it
scale
is showing 1 block only.
Okay, I will check it. I will check it. You just first scale 1 only. I will check it. Scale it to x will be 0.08 and y will be 0.5 and z will be 0.5. Scale it to x.
Sir, y and z will
0.08.
be 0.5 and x will be 0.0.
0.08. And after that, move it also. Moving will be same to the like we have moved the smaller wings like x0, y 55 and z will be 9.
So now it's coming 1 wedge after I have removed 1.
I will check it why it is coming through on your. Okay, so it will be giving you a small tail over the back end of your. Okay, so you
Yes,
have
sir, it kind of like a spike.
Spike, yeah. You can rename your design over here on the top. You can rename it. By default, it will
Sir,
be
the project is done.
Yeah, it is done. You can rename it. And now if anyone of like someone of you were having
Sir.
some issues, so if yes.
Sir, the tail is too small.
Yeah, tail is too small. You can like scale it, but make sure when you are scaling it, you have to change the other dimensions also. Okay. So right now the scaling is done according to the whole design of the jet. So if you will be changing its size, you have to change the other dimensions also.
Sir, I've made I've made how to save this.
Saving is automatically. It will just if you will close it here, it will automatically get saved. You don't have to save
So
it.
now it's coming 1 wedge. Sir, I had returned some
I have
steps.
found out that the exhaust was not coming out. Exhaust.
Yeah, wait. You can share your screen now.
I was about to share.
So how much do we have to move?
Move wedge.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we
why
make
will
the
be
wheels also?
Yes, you can. You can. See, I have told you, you can modify it accordingly. It's up to you how you want to modify it. So you have to move it. Y will be 55 and Z will be 9.
So now it's looking like a jet.
Mine was working.
So it is showing like this.
Sir, please show the code again.
Sir, how do we save this project?
Wait, guys. Wait. This project will get saved automatically. You don't have to click anywhere else.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's see what.
Sir, I made a
is
little
saved.
change.
Someone has connected from 2 devices. Please mute yourself on one device.
Sir, if you want to export,
sir,
if you want to export, which extension should we use?
Wait. It is up to you where you want to export it. Okay,
Oh,
I
sir,
will
it
show
is
it
showing
to you.
.obj,
Sir, we
.stl.
actually need Windows
Wait,
10.
guys, wait.
I tried with Windows 7, so it didn't work. We need
I will show
Windows
it to
10.
you on my screen. I will show it to you on my screen. Okay.
Sir, some
Just
of my
give,
wings are not coming triangular in shape.
So why it is overlapping?
give me a little bit of time. Let me check this. Yashmit, can you rotate your work plane? Like I am not able to work on your screen.
Sir, what I
Hello.
have to rotate?
Make it front.
Just bring it to the front view.
Sir, please scroll.
Wait, it's not my screen, guys. Just wait.
Your voice is echoing. So someone is on mute.
Sir, mute everyone.
Sir, is it okay now?
No, yeah, your system is lagging a lot. Let me check. You have added two different. Phones and which.
Are you can work on the mouse also?
Yeah, I am not able to control your screen.
So she have to give
So you are
control.
controlling my screen. So you are controlling my screen.
Yes, yes.
So can we make the cockpit to look like the glass?
You can make it. You can just change the color of your cockpit. In the 3D designing, you can make it transparent kind of thing. Here, it is not an option to change it to transparent. Wait a second. Let me just. Okay. Then 20x0. Why you have kept it empty in the X? Put it 0 first. In the second cone. Oh, sorry, first cone. Oh, sorry, this roof option. X will be 0. Okay. Click on this play button now. Tilt your work plane. Tilt your work plane a little bit. एक minute. Your cone is. Scroll your code. Scroll your code. Up, up. Let me show from the beginning. Okay, yeah, wait here. You have rotated your cylinder, then you have not moved your cylinder. You have to move your cylinder also. Move it x0, y30, and z5. X0, y30, y30, z5. Then you have added a half sphere, rotate around x-axis, scale 0.5, 2.5, then minus 12.55. Okay, then second half sphere 0.4. Y is 1, not 5. In the second half sphere, y is 1. Y, yeah, 1. Okay, now check your code. Click on the play button. Okay,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
it's okay. Yeah, you can stop your screen share.
So my God, for not having that code, sir, could I just show that? No.
What? Yeah, share your screen. Yeah, so what's the issue in your section? Yeah, it is fine. The cone is the exhaust is in this shape only. Okay, fine. So I hope all of you have completed the design.
Sir, some of my wings are not triangular, so can I share my screen?
Yeah, you can. Okay. Second axis 2, 1. Okay, you have not rotated it. You have to rotate the second wedge, sorry, this roof shape around the x-axis. No. Place it after adding the rotate. So first you have to rotate it, then you have to scale it and move it. Hmm. I check it now. Okay. Oh, there is one more mistake which I am getting in your screen. यहाँ पे in your second cone, choose this whole option.
Sir, your voice is echoing a lot.
Someone has logged into 2 accounts. Okay, I am just running it. Okay, now click on this play button. Okay, I hope all of your queries are solved and all of you have designed your jet. So if you are having any queries, then you can ask me, and like any other query you can ask me. Okay, wait. Yeah.
Sir, how to save it?
Yes. It will get saved automatically. No need to just save it manually.
Sir,
It will.
can you check my jet? I've done some minor changes.
Yes, sure, you can. Just share your screen. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so you have increased the size of the tail.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you have moved this little bit toward on the lower side, the wings on the back end.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, yeah, it is looking fine. Perfect.
Okay,
Great.
sir. Thank
Very
you,
good.
sir.
Okay, so anyone else having any query or you want to ask something, so you can ask. How do you like the session, guys? Have you enjoyed designing the jet? And how do you
Yes,
like
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
It was very interesting.
Yes,
Absolutely.
sir,
learned?
I really enjoyed it.
knowledgeable.
So
Okay, and
now
have you learned
students, we
something new today?
find after sir's session and training, I think we all would be designing some motor parts or some automobiles or something very new.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
was it? I hope everybody enjoyed the session.
Yes, yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Will you all switch on your videos for
Ma'am, we
2
enjoyed
seconds?
the session for session
Ma'am, it was a very interactive session.
And what did you learn? What do you think? What you will be able to do after this session? Means what is that you have gained from it?
So we will be able to make many things.
Or I will make a one mighty diecast model.
So you'll all try making something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Your videos on, children, just for 2 seconds. Just keep your videos on.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask something about.
Yes,
Ma'am,
please ask.
Ma'am, I had signed in the Google form, but still I didn't receive any mail related to contact Go Global.
You didn't receive any mail.
Yes, ma'am. Same for me.
Yes,
I also haven't received any mail.
Could you sign it
You have-
again once again? Will you sign it once again?
Yes,
Ma'am, I have done it
No,
2 times.
If you have filled the form, we will surely contact you soon. We will give you. If you have filled the form, we will have got your details. We will contact you. Okay.
Any other queries, children? Do you want to ask anything else?
No.
So thank you, Sarabjot sir. It was really an interesting session. Something very new. And
Thank you very much, ma'am, for allowing
the
me to
session-
teach these young students.
the session was really very interactive, and I think everyone had, like, every query was solved and they could manage everything beautifully the way you explained every step for them patiently and solving the problems, because it was too technical to be handled so smoothly. Even we were really amazed at your skills set for that. Yeah, you have beautifully handled the
Thank you.
students. And all this
Thank you very
output
much.
also, some of them, what they screen shared, they were wonderfully done.
Yes,
So-
and they have like got the design very perfectly. Even someone
So-
have some students have modified it also. So it
Yeah,
was
yeah.
amazed to see these designs.
So it's all onus on you only, sir, because you have explained so beautifully that you could have, they could even try to manipulate it that way.
Yes.
Means
Yeah.
they could
Thank you
go
very
a
much.
step ahead and think of something new also within that short span of time.
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. And
Thank
great
you very
going,
much.
students. You have learned something. Keep doing something. Keep meddling with it so that you come out with some creative output. See, you have to keep on meddling with computer. Then only gives you something creative. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks for the session.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
very
Savita ma'am. And thank you, students. Meet you
Thank you,
very soon.
everyone.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Bye bye, kids. Bye bye. Bye
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.